Have you ever sat on a plane staring out at the endless sky and felt a sense of wonder? The vast expanse of clouds beneath you, the horizon stretching infinitely, it's a sight that never gets old. But have you ever paused to think about what makes this all work so smoothly? The pilots, of course, play a crucial role, expertly navigating through the skies. And then, there are the powerful engines, roaring with might, propelling the aircraft forward. Yet, there's more to this story. Beyond the visible, there's an invisible co-pilot at work here, guiding every move with precision and care. That co-pilot? It's artificial intelligence. Yes, AI is revolutionizing the way we fly, making the skies safer and the journeys smoother. Today, we're diving into how AI is transforming modern airplanes. From advanced navigation systems to real-time data analysis, AI is at the heart of this transformation. It's making airplanes smarter, with systems that can predict and respond to potential issues before they arise. It's making them safer, with enhanced monitoring and control mechanisms. And it's making them more efficient, optimizing fuel usage and reducing emissions. So as we buckle up for this amazing journey, let's explore the incredible ways AI is shaping the future of flying. From the moment we board to the time we land, AI is there, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience. Let's start with AI's role in the cockpit. You've probably heard of autopilot systems, right? They've been around for a while. But thanks to AI, autopilot isn't just about maintaining altitude or direction anymore. It's about predicting challenges before they even happen. Imagine this. As the plane cruises, AI analyzes real-time weather data, foresees turbulence ahead, and adjusts the route to keep things smooth. It's like having a super intelligent navigator that's always a step ahead. Cool, right? Now here's where AI gets even more impressive. Predictive maintenance. Imagine a world where machines can tell us when they need a tune-up before they actually break down. This is not science fiction, it's happening right now. Did you know that airplanes have sensors everywhere? These sensors are like the eyes and ears of the aircraft, constantly gathering information. From the wings to the landing gear, every critical component is under surveillance. These sensors send tons of data to AI systems that monitor every part of the plane. The engines, the wings, the landing gear, everything. This data is analyzed in real time, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. AI spots wear and tear before it becomes a problem. It's like having a team of expert mechanics working around the clock, ensuring that every part of the airplane is in perfect condition. This proactive approach means issues are identified and resolved long before they can cause any harm. Think about it, it's like having a crystal ball that says, hey, this part needs attention soon. This predictive capability is a game changer. It allows airlines to schedule maintenance at the most convenient times, avoiding unexpected delays and cancellations. This doesn't just save airlines money, it also makes your flights incredibly safe. By preventing potential failures before they happen, predictive maintenance ensures that every flight is as safe as possible. It's a win-win situation. Airlines save on costly repairs and passengers enjoy peace of mind knowing they are in safe hands. So next time you board a plane, remember that behind the scenes, AI and predictive maintenance are working tirelessly to keep you safe and ensure your journey is smooth and worry-free. This is the future of aviation, and it's already here, making a significant impact on both safety and efficiency. The skies are crowded, millions of flights every single year. So how do we keep all those planes moving safely and on time? The answer is AI. AI processes data from thousands of planes in real time, suggesting the best routes to reduce congestion and delays. And here's a bonus, these optimized routes save fuel, which is great for the environment. But AI isn't just about what happens in the cockpit or control tower. It's also transforming your experience as a passenger. Imagine this. As you board the plane, the cabin temperature is adjusted to your liking, your favorite movies are ready to play, and you get real-time updates about your flight through a chatbot. From booking to baggage tracking, AI is making your journey smoother and stress-free. It's like having a personal assistant for your travel. And now for the big question, could we see planes flying pilots in the future? The answer is, maybe. AI-powered experimental planes are already being tested, capable of taking off, flying and landing entirely on their own. While we're not there yet, the possibilities are endless. Imagine pilots acting as supervisors, overseeing flights while AI takes care of the details. It's exciting and maybe a little mind-blowing. AI is not just transforming how we fly, but also how airplanes are built. From designing to assembling, AI-driven robots and systems are making the manufacturing process faster, more efficient, and more precise. Imagine robots working alongside humans, ensuring every part is perfect. This not only speeds up production but also enhances safety and quality. The future of aircraft manufacturing is here, and it's powered by AI. Training pilots is a rigorous process, but AI is making it smarter and more effective. AI-powered simulators provide realistic training scenarios, helping pilots practice and perfect their skills. These simulators can mimic various flight conditions, emergencies, and even rare situations, ensuring pilots are well prepared for anything. With AI, flight training is becoming more comprehensive and adaptive, producing highly skilled pilots ready for the skies. Imagine a training environment where pilots can experience everything from extreme weather conditions to emergency landings, all within a safe, controlled setting. AI-driven simulators collect data from real flights and integrate it into training programs, offering scenarios that are as close to real life as possible. This not only enhances the learning experience but also boosts the confidence of pilots as they step into the cockpit. The adaptability of AI in flight training means that programs can be tailored to the individual needs of each pilot. Whether it's refining takeoff techniques, mastering in-flight maneuvers, or perfecting landing protocols, AI ensures that every aspect of a pilot's training is thorough and precise. This level of personalized training is revolutionizing how future pilots are prepared for their careers in aviation. Furthermore, AI isn't just limited to simulators, it's also being used in virtual reality (VR) environments where pilots can engage in immersive training sessions that feel incredibly real. These VR experiences, powered by AI, allow for even more dynamic and interactive learning, making sure pilots are equipped with the skills and knowledge they need to handle any situation. With AI at the helm of flight training, the aviation industry is seeing a new generation of pilots who are more skilled, more confident, and more prepared than ever before. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning of what AI can achieve in aviation training. Now let's move on to the closing scene and wrap up our exploration of AI's impact on aviation. Beyond the cockpit and control tower, AI is enhancing passenger services. From personalized travel recommendations to real-time updates and virtual assistance, AI is making travel more convenient and enjoyable. Imagine a seamless travel experience where AI handles everything from check-in to in-flight entertainment. The moment you arrive at the airport, AI-driven kiosks can expedite your check-in process, minimizing wait times and reducing stress. Once you're through security, AI can provide personalized travel recommendations, suggesting dining options, shopping deals, and even quiet spots to relax before your flight. Real-time updates keep you informed about gate changes, boarding times, and any delays, ensuring you're always in the know. Onboard AI enhances your in-flight experience by offering personalized entertainment options tailored to your preferences. Whether it's movies, music, or interactive games, AI ensures that your journey is as enjoyable as possible. Virtual assistants are also at your service, ready to answer questions, provide information, and even assist with special requests. The future of passenger services is bright, and AI is at the forefront, ensuring a smooth and pleasant journey for all. From the moment you book your ticket to the time you reach your destination, AI is there, making every step of your travel experience seamless and enjoyable. With AI's continuous advancements, the possibilities are endless. We are entering an era where travel is not just about reaching a destination, but about enjoying every moment of the journey. AI is here to make sure that every passenger's experience is as comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable as possible. Now let's move on to the closing scene and wrap up our exploration of AI's impact on aviation. AI in airport operations. Airports are bustling hubs of activity, and AI is playing a crucial role in managing operations. From optimizing flight schedules to enhancing security and streamlining baggage handling, AI is making airports more efficient and passenger-friendly. Imagine a world where delays are minimized, security checks are faster, and your luggage arrives on time, all thanks to AI. The future of airport operations is here, and it's powered by AI. At the heart of an AI-driven airport is the ability to handle massive amounts of data in real time. Flight schedules are optimized based on current weather conditions, air traffic, and even real-time passenger flow, ensuring minimal delays and maximum efficiency. Security is another area where AI shines. Advanced AI algorithms can analyze security footage and detect unusual behavior, enhancing overall safety. Automated security checks with AI-powered scanners can quickly and accurately screen passengers and their baggage, reducing wait times and enhancing the passenger experience. Baggage handling is often a pain point for travelers, but AI is changing that. Smart baggage systems use AI to track and manage luggage from check-in to arrival, significantly reducing the chances of lost or delayed bags. AI also helps in managing airport resources, from allocating gates to managing staff schedules, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. The integration of AI in airport operations is not just about efficiency, it's about creating a seamless travel experience. With AI, airports can offer personalized services, such as guiding passengers to their gates, providing real-time updates, and even suggesting activities during layovers. As AI continues to evolve, the future of airport operations looks incredibly promising. We're moving towards a world where airports are not just transit points but smart, efficient hubs that enhance every aspect of the travel experience. AI is transforming airports into high-tech environments where every process is optimized for efficiency and passenger satisfaction. The future of air travel starts the moment you step into the airport, and it's powered by AI. Now let's move on to the closing scene and wrap up our exploration of AI's impact on aviation. AI and aviation safety. Safety is paramount in aviation, and AI is enhancing it in unprecedented ways. AI systems continuously monitor flight data, detect anomalies, and predict potential issues before they arise. This proactive approach ensures that any risks are mitigated promptly, keeping passengers and crew safe. With AI, aviation safety is reaching new heights, providing peace of mind for everyone on board. Imagine an AI system that can analyze thousands of data points from an aircraft in real time, identifying even the slightest irregularities. This allows for immediate corrective actions, preventing minor issues from escalating into significant problems. Whether it's detecting mechanical issues, monitoring weather conditions, or assessing pilot performance, AI is the silent guardian of our skies. One of the most remarkable aspects of AI in aviation safety is its ability to learn and adapt. Machine learning algorithms can study past incidents and near misses to continually improve safety protocols. This means that with every flight, the AI systems become smarter, more efficient, and better equipped to handle unexpected situations. AI also plays a crucial role in emergency response. In the event of an in-flight emergency, AI can assist pilots by providing real-time data and recommendations, ensuring that the best possible decisions are made swiftly. This can be the difference between a safe landing and a disaster. The integration of AI in aviation safety extends beyond the aircraft itself. Ground operations, air traffic control, and maintenance crews all benefit from AI-driven insights, creating a comprehensive safety net that spans the entire aviation ecosystem. As we continue to embrace AI technology, the skies become safer for everyone. The future of aviation safety is not just about reacting to incidents but preventing them from happening in the first place. With AI, we are not just flying, we are flying smarter and safer. Now let's move on to the closing scene and wrap up our exploration of AI's impact on aviation. AI and environmental sustainability. The aviation industry is committed to reducing its environmental impact, and AI is a key player in this mission. AI optimizes flight paths, reduces fuel consumption, and minimizes emissions, contributing to a greener future. Imagine a world where air travel is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. With AI, sustainable aviation is becoming a reality, paving the way for a cleaner, greener planet. One of the primary ways AI is helping to create a more sustainable aviation industry is through optimizing flight paths. By analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, AI can determine the most efficient routes, reducing the amount of fuel consumed and lowering carbon emissions. This not only benefits the environment but also results in cost savings for airlines, making sustainable practices economically viable. AI also plays a crucial role in predictive maintenance, ensuring that aircraft are operating at peak efficiency. By predicting when parts need to be replaced or serviced, AI helps to prevent unnecessary fuel consumption caused by mechanical inefficiencies. This proactive approach to maintenance keeps planes running smoothly and reduces their environmental footprint. In addition to optimizing flight paths and maintenance schedules, AI is also being used to develop new, more efficient aircraft designs. Machine learning algorithms can analyze aerodynamic data and suggest design improvements that reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. These innovations are helping to create the next generation of eco-friendly aircraft. AI's impact on environmental sustainability in aviation extends beyond the skies. Ground operations at airports are also becoming more efficient and eco-friendly thanks to AI-driven solutions. From managing ground traffic to optimizing energy use in airport facilities, AI is helping to create greener airports that are better for the environment. The integration of AI in aviation is not just about improving efficiency and safety, it's about creating a sustainable future for air travel. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities for reducing the environmental impact of aviation are endless. With AI, we are not only flying smarter and safer, but also greener. Now let's move on to the closing scene and wrap up our exploration of AI's impact on aviation. The future of aviation is brimming with possibilities, and AI is at the heart of it all. From autonomous drones to supersonic jets, AI is driving innovation and shaping the future of flight. Imagine a world where air travel is faster, safer, and more accessible than ever before. With AI, the sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. Autonomous drones are set to revolutionize the way we think about transportation. These AI-powered marvels could soon be delivering packages, conducting search and rescue missions, and even providing air taxi services. Imagine a future where you can summon a drone to fly you across the city, avoiding traffic and reducing travel time. AI is making this vision a reality. Supersonic jets are also making a comeback thanks to advancements in AI technology. These next-generation aircraft will be able to fly faster than the speed of sound, drastically reducing travel times. AI will play a crucial role in optimizing flight paths, managing fuel consumption, and ensuring passenger safety at supersonic speeds. The dream of crossing the Atlantic in just a few hours is closer than ever before. But the innovations don't stop there. AI is also paving the way for hybrid and electric aircraft, which promise to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and lower carbon emissions. With AI-driven energy management systems, these aircraft will be more efficient and environmentally friendly, contributing to a sustainable future for aviation. In the realm of air traffic management, AI is set to transform how we navigate the skies. By analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, AI can predict and prevent potential conflicts, ensuring smoother and safer flights. This will be especially important as the number of aircraft in our skies continues to grow, making air travel more efficient and less stressful for everyone. The future of aviation is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about creating a seamless, enjoyable, and efficient experience for passengers. AI is at the forefront of this transformation, making air travel smarter, faster, and greener. Join us as we explore the exciting future of aviation technologies powered by AI. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. Now let's move on to the closing scene and wrap up our exploration of AI's impact on aviation. So the next time you fly, remember, it's not just the pilots and crew making it all happen. Behind every smooth takeoff, every seamless flight, and every safe landing, there's a whole world of technology and innovation at play. AI is working tirelessly behind the scenes, monitoring weather patterns, optimizing flight paths, and ensuring that every aspect of your journey is as efficient as possible. From the moment you book your ticket to the time you collect your luggage, AI is there, making sure everything runs smoothly, ensuring your journey is safe, efficient, and even enjoyable. Imagine boarding a plane where the check-in process is streamlined, your in-flight experience is personalized, and even the landing is perfectly timed. That's the magic of AI in aviation. AI isn't just changing how we fly, it's revolutionizing the entire aviation industry. From predictive maintenance that keeps planes in top condition to advanced navigation systems that make flights more direct and fuel-efficient, AI is at the forefront of this transformation. It's redefining the future of aviation. Imagine a future where flights are not only faster and more efficient but also more environmentally friendly. AI is paving the way for greener skies and smarter travel. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. It's been an incredible journey exploring how AI is shaping the future of flight. If you loved learning about how AI is revolutionizing the skies, there's so much more to discover. From autonomous drones to AI-driven air traffic control, the possibilities are endless. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on AI in aviation. Your support helps us bring you more exciting content about the latest advancements in technology and aviation. Let's keep exploring the amazing ways AI is transforming our world, one innovation at a time. Whether it's in the skies, on the ground, or in our everyday lives, AI is making a significant impact. One flight at a time. Every journey, every flight is a testament to the incredible advancements in AI technology. See you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep flying high with the wonders of AI.